In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Notion from scratch. We'll build confidence by starting simple, understanding the core building blocks, and then layering in more powerful features as you go. Begin with a completely blank page. Skip templates for now so you can see how everything fits together. Give your page a clear name, and at the very top, write a one-sentence goal for why you're here, maybe to manage a daily schedule, organize class notes, or track project deadlines. That single sentence will guide every decision you make. Next, get comfortable with the basics. In Notion, almost everything is either a page or a block. A block can be text, a heading, a to-do, an image, or even a database. Press Enter to create a new block, and use the little drag handle to reorder blocks or nest them. When you want to add something new, type to open the block menu. Try heading, bulleted list, callout, or table to see how quickly you can shape the page. For quick formatting, Notion supports markdown and keyboard shortcuts. Type 2 asterisks on each side of a word to bold it, or use common shortcuts like Command or Control-B for bold and I for italics. Keep experimenting until moving blocks around feels second nature. Once you're comfortable, lean on official learning. The Notion Academy offers short, focused guides and live webinars that walk you through real use cases. When you need something specific, search for a targeted tutorial, for example, Notion Project Dashboard, or recurring tasks in Notion. Follow along and build as you watch so the skills stick. From there, focus on databases, since they power most advanced Notion setups. Create a simple table with table, add properties like status or due date, and practice switching views to a board, calendar, or list. Try sorting and filtering to show just what matters. Tie it back to your goal. If you're managing a class or project, track tasks with statuses, deadlines, and related notes. Start small, then add complexity only as needed. If you have access to Notion AI, use it to brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, or summarize long notes. It's great for first drafts and quick recaps, but always review and refine the results. Finally, connect with the community. Browse official forums and user groups, ask questions, and learn from shared examples. You'll pick up patterns and shortcuts much faster when you see how others build. Keep iterating on your page, revisit your goal regularly, and grow one skill at a time. That's how you learn Notion from a blank page to a powerful, personalized system.